Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out YouTube account on mobile. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the YouTube. Click on that and you need to update YouTube application. As you can see, my YouTube is updated. Then you simply need to do is to go back and open YouTube. Once you open, you simply need to do is to click on your channel icon in the right bottom. Click on switch account. Then you need to click on manage accounts, and here you can see you have the option to select the account, and in the bottom you can see remove account. So once you remove account, that account will be automatically log out from YouTube. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.